Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and a document so changes apply instantly. Once open, go to File then Options and choose Proofing. This takes you directly to autocorrect controls. Make sure the checkbox marked Replace Text as you type is enabled so entries will take effect. You're doing this because autocorrect fixes common typing errors and speeds composition. Now, click the Autocorrect Options button to view existing replacements. This is the first actionable step to change or add rules that will run while you type. Once in the Autocorrect dialog, focus on the Replace and With fields. Type the shorthand or typo in Replace and the desired correction in With, then click Add. You should create concise, unique shortcuts to avoid accidental triggers. For example, type ETR for your full address. Make sure to explore exceptions to prevent replacements in capitalized words or after certain characters. Also, check Auto Format and Math Autocorrect tabs to handle symbols, fractions, and smart quotes. These control why some characters change automatically. After adding or editing entries, click OK to save and close dialogues, then test replacements by typing your shortcuts in the document. This verifies they behave as expected. If something misfires, you can uncheck specific autocorrect rules or select and delete entries to remove them. Make sure to restart Word when changes seem ignored. If problems continue, repair the Office installation or reset the normal DOTM template to address corrupted settings. That resolves stubborn issues without losing your core documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.